All right, so far we have discussed about Pytest framework in a small examples, and now we're going to start with Pycharm. So far whatever we run our execution, those are as part of command line, or we can say console execution. So how we can open that particular folder via Pycharm. So let's see that. So I have a Pycharm here. So this is my PyCharm, and I would like to open that project which is on my desktop. So this is the project I wanted to open. So go to that location. I wanted to go to desktop, and on the desktop, yeah, on the desktop, I wanted to open this folder, this test folder. So that is the folder where we have started our entire PyTest related work. So I'm gonna open that, and it will ask for the trust this project. So you just need to click on trust project. So once it's done, so whatever we have created, right, all the folder structures and all those, so those will be carried forward to here in the PyCharm as well. And you can see there are the conf test, then we have a demo test 2, demo test 3, and test results dot demo. So these are the folders that we created in the last session, right? So all will be added here, and I'm going to simply run this execution. So for that we need to see for terminal. So here in the PyCharm you will have a terminal as well. So this is a terminal. So whatever we did in the command line, right, same thing we can do from this place. So example, you can type just pytest and hit enter. It will start execute and it will show the results. So this is the added advantage in the PyCharm, where you can have a command line execution. Whatever you execute from the command line, same thing that you can run from the terminal. And this PyCharm also has this Python console. So this Python console will help you to write quick operations like 5 plus 2 is equal to how much 7. So like this you can write a common program and also a large program as well. So based on that you can simply modify your code. So no need to go for searching, debugging. So this is the best place to do some small condition check, and we will see more in upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching.